DGF-A series axial exhaust fan with shutter achieves automatic opening and closing of the shutter by automatic control system. This accomplishes the effect of dust-proof, waterproof, and pleasant appearance. This fan provides longitude and transverse indoor ventilation. It also features low noise, large air volume, low power consumption, obvious cooling effect, etc. Currently, this product is widely used in factories, greenhouses, poultry houses, and other animal husbandry and ventilation industries.